Today, I'm going to walk you through how to set up a Scrum board in Jira, and by the end, you'll have your very own space to organize all your tasks, boost your team's productivity, and really get hands-on with agile project management. Whether you're totally new to Jira or just want a refresher, I'll break everything down step by step, so you'll feel confident tackling this process on your own. Let's jump straight into it. First, go ahead and open Jira. You'll want to make sure you're logged into your account before we dig in. If this is your first time using Jira, don't worry. The interface may look busy, but we'll take it one step at a time. Once you're in, look over at the left-hand panel. You'll see a variety of options here, but for now, what we want is the More button. It's usually toward the bottom. Click More to expand the options available to you. Think of this as the drawer where all the extra features are tucked away. We're about to dig into the tools that let us set up that Scrum board. From this expanded menu, go ahead and select Apps. This is where Jira stores the different add-ons and project templates you can use to customize your workspace. Apps in Jira aren't just add-ons. They're like whole toolkits designed specifically for different project management styles. Since we're focusing on Scrum, which works so well for breaking work into manageable sprints, that's exactly what we'll search for next. In the search field, type in Scrum Project. Jira has a number of apps and templates, and searching makes it easier to cut through the noise and find exactly what fits our needs. If you're not sure which Scrum board app to pick, I recommend starting with the official Atlassian ones. They're reliable, well-supported, and they integrate smoothly with everything else in Jira. Once the search results load up, choose one that fits what you're after. If you see several options, don't let that overwhelm you. You can click through their details if you want to peek at their features before deciding. For most folks, just getting started, picking the standard Scrum project template is perfect. Now, look for the Try It for Free button on your selected app. This lets you test it out before making any commitments, which is a great way to see if it really fits your team's workflow. Click that, and then you'll see the option to Start Trial. Confirm it, and the app or template should begin installing. This part might take a few moments as Jira sets it up on your workspace, but grab a sip of coffee and it'll be ready soon. With the app installed, we're ready to access our new Scrum board. Head over to your space, your main dashboard or project area in Jira. If you're working on multiple projects, make sure you navigate to the right space so you don't get mixed up. Once you're there, look for your new Scrum board in one of the columns or sections. It might be called Boards, or simply show up as a new project. Depending on the template, it could be displayed in slightly different ways. Don't worry if it takes a moment to spot it. Sometimes you have to scroll or refresh the page. And that's it. You've set up your very first Scrum board in Jira. From here, you can start adding tasks or stories, assign them to team members, and move them through stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Setting up the board is just the beginning, but now you've got a powerful tool at your fingertips for organizing and prioritizing work like a pro. If you found this walkthrough helpful, go ahead and hit that like button, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any snags. I always love hearing your feedback and helping out, and if you want more tutorials on mastering Jira or other productivity tools, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching and happy sprinting.